All right, you guys saw it. The Barber chair is gone, but do I have a surprise for you? It's not here yet, but I'll check back in with you when it is. All right, guys, it is finally in. There's a little hint behind you. Let's go ahead and check this thing out. All right, guys, so let's talk about this chair for a little bit. I'm kind of bummed. I wanted to give you guys a super dope video. I asked Frankie Designs to send me some footage and whatnot, but all they had was really iPhone footage, so I don't really have much to show you guys. I wanted to show you the whole process, how they powder coat, how they do the stitching, all of that. I will have a couple clips that will include, but I guess we'll just talk about the chair a little bit. I'll tell you guys kind of the process. I was scrolling through Instagram one day and I saw my friend Allie's custom chair that she has. It is a old Koken chair with like your grandma's couch print. I believe it even has the clear plastic over it. Super dope. Definitely not my style, but I saw that. I remember messaging her and kind of talking to her about the chair. And one day I just kind of had a wild hair and said, man, you know what would set the studio off would be a custom Klutch chair. So I thought about taking my old chair. I was gonna take the seat, the cushion, all the upholstery off and get it reupholstered somewhere locally. But I realized that changing the black fabric to yellow and leaving the metal black was probably the opposite of what I wanted. So Frankie Designs used to come to all the expos, used to bring all their chairs. I remember seeing them for years and I always wanted a custom chair. So I decided to reach out. So here we are sitting in the new chair. You guys can see plenty of the Klutch yellow and some black accents. The seat stitching is super cool as well. And I am totally happy with this chair. I'm super stoked to have it. It is dope. Every client so far that has walked in has loved it. And it is exactly what I was looking for. So if you guys are interested in your own chair, you guys can hit up Frankie Designs. I'll put the Instagram and the email down below so you guys can check it out. But you guys have unlimited options here. So any of the metal can be powder coated, different colors. You could have it all the same color. I have some black, I have some neon yellow. You could do all black. You could really do anything that you wanted. The leather or the upholstery, you can do different fabrics, different materials. The stitching, you can do different patterns. I believe they have like diamond print stitching. You can do like pinstripe, or you can do, this is like Lamborghini Urus stitching. So you guys can do any stitching that you want, any colors that you want. You guys can see we got the logo on the headrest and right here, I don't even know what you really call this, but it's not the footrest, but right above the footrest. So you guys can do logos there. I've seen them do a bunch of different chairs. So they have like a LA Dodgers chair, kind of a Hispanic style chair. I don't know what you really call it. Anything you guys can imagine they can build. And so if you want to do like a shop themed chair, or if you have your own personal brand, or if you are a company like Tomb45 could get a custom chair as well. They actually have one, I'm not sure where it's from, but I'm actually trying to get a OP45 chair for the lab where we do all of our OP45 education and tutorials, kind of a black and white with OP45 on it. So I may be hitting Frankie Designs up soon for that. But if you guys want to check them out, like I said, head to the Instagram, shoot them an email, get some ideas together. It was fairly quick and easy. I don't know really how long it took, maybe a couple months. We were just kind of loosely discussing it, but a couple months later, I'm sitting in my chair. You guys saw all I had to do was attach the backrest and it was ready to go. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this chair. I'm super stoked. My clients are loving it. And you know, it's maybe a little unnecessary, but if you guys follow me for a while, I like custom everything and I love my Klutch yellow color, so it absolutely fits in the studio and I'm hyped to have it. I did make my best barber studio in the world video a little bit too early. We should have included the chair, but now we have it and I'm loving it. So let me know what you guys think. Go ahead and click right here if you guys want to check out the best barber studio in the world video, and I'll catch you guys next time.